the best cooking class in Saigon. If you're looking for a fantastic cooking class in Saigon, we can highly recommend a company called
Provincial Table Cooking Class!
We took the class ourselves last weekend, and it was a blast. When you book through their website, there are two options: a cooking class with a market tour that runs from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., a cooking class without market tour that runs from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Provincial Table is child-friendly, so you can bring your children along. Children 5 years old and under can join for free, while children ages 6 to 10 are only charged 80% of the adult ticket. Each cooking class includes a welcome drink, 3 dishes, 1 dessert, a cookbook, and a surprise gift. The class runs 7 days a week, and they change the menu each week so you can repeat the class multiple times to learn how to make new dishes. Today's menu includes mango salad, shaking beef, and chicken. My favorite dish was the shaking beef. It was so good, and after eating all 3 dishes you make and dessert, you'll definitely be full. So with this class, you will learn a lot and also have a great lunch. We found the experience of learning to cook at Provincial Table to be extremely professional. They have a very nice kitchen that can accommodate around 10 guests. Each class is led by an enthusiastic chef who will guide you through each step of preparing the dishes, and all the cooking tools and ingredients are carefully prepared for you in advance, so you can get straight to cooking. Having the opportunity to experience today's class with Provincial Table, we felt incredibly excited to be able to learn how to make 3 dishes in just 2 to 3 hours. The chef was very friendly, and the cooking steps were explained and demonstrated in a simple, easy-to-understand way. You should definitely give it a try. You can sign up for a cooking class with Provincial Table on their website. Want to discover more great activities in Saigon? Follow XO Tours.